This is Harvey Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food, and today I get to do a very special video for you with my husband Harvey.
Hello.
On 3 ways that you can influence your husband, your wife, or your partner to go vegan. And I want to start with the first topic on that. Very often people think that going vegan will totally limit them and they won't be able to eat much other than broccoli and carrots. But I found going vegan, and then later for my husband, that I could prepare so many delicious dishes for him in addition to what I was eating raw as fruits and vegetables, salads. But I prepare things for him like red lentil kale soup. I'd like to ask Harvey about that first pointer, about what you eat and if you enjoy it.
Yes, I do. 25 years ago, 30 years ago, if you want to be a vegan or vegetarian, obviously it was difficult to find places where to eat. But today's world, every restaurant has vegetarian and certainly vegan options. You can even go to Chipotle and have a vegan burrito these days. And many restaurants, actually Madison, one of the most famous restaurants in New York, now turned fully vegan. So the options are there, and as Karen mentioned, there is delicious dishes you can do vegan at home. Her soups are amazing, dishes, bean dishes, lots of salads, different dressings, that full gamma of foods around to be vegan.
It's not like it was when I started vegan back in 1989, and it was hard to go out. Very easy today. Number 2 is education. This is so crucial. I started many years ago going to vegan and vegetarian events like vegan festivals and vegfests. And my husband, because he's very open and interested, he would tag along with me. Not necessarily planning to do exactly what I was doing and eating this way as a vegan, but just to get the information and compare it to what he already knew. And just by coming to events with me, he changed his mindset and what he knew was true about being vegan. So can you tell like one of the events that in particular impressed you?
Surely. Information is very important. Just because your wife says so, you should do it. It's not gonna work. I think by going to these events, you get to talk to other people who are already on this journey or have been on the journey, so you can compare notes with them. Listening to experts, there is a tremendous amount of good information around, and cleaning up these old myths that, what are you going to do with your protein? Your knowledge will be immediately satisfied and understand that protein is everywhere. For example, in my case, I went, as Karen mentioned, to many events with our children and listened to different speakers. Gary Franson, who was an animal rights lawyer.
And some of those speakers who particularly impressed Harvey were John Robbins, who gave up his inheritance to the Baskin-Robbins empire to go to plant-based living, and Howard Lyman, a cattle rancher from Montana, who also gave up his inheritance to go to a vegan diet because he saw what was happening to the cows in the work that he was doing. And Gary Francione, an animal rights lawyer who was doing wonderful work talking about why go vegan, why it's so important ethically and also for your health. And the third pointer that I want to give you today on how you can help your husband, your wife, or your partner go vegan is to help them to understand the realities of animal food production. And so one area of this that my husband, Harvey, did not quite understand was that cows are constantly impregnated. How else do you think that they give us milk? That's the only way. And this is very, very painful. And they live only half of the life that is their potential. Do you want to talk more about this?
One other thing I would like to add is how this reading and going to places open your eyes. Many people are vegetarian but not vegan. The reason they say that is because if they drink milk, they are not killing a cow. Have you ever thought that a cow has to be pregnant on a constant basis for 5-6 years of his lifespan to be able to produce milk? And the abuse of how do they get pregnant? So people, I ask, since I realized that, I myself didn't realize it at the beginning. But once I realized that, I start asking people, says, did you know that a cow is always pregnant? That what they do is they take the baby away when she's born, the veal, to make veal parmesan with cheese, and then she gets pregnant again year after year. So this abuse is many times, people just don't know it. And it's important for you to know it today. I think that people, most of my friends and people I know don't realize this. Even me, who lived part of my life in Europe, I didn't think about it until carrying the information, what came about, just brought me to light this situation.
So point 3 is helping your husband, your wife, your partner to understand why going vegan by understanding the realities and the cruelty of animal food production. And this is not a point, but I also just want to say that as you go more and more to a vegan, especially a whole plant food vegan lifestyle, that you start to feel the difference in your health. And that is really so key.
Definitely. That is the diamond in the rough, as they say. This is incredible that you don't need to take a medicine, you don't need to do anything, and the truth will come next time you go for your checkup. Your doctor would say, my God, your blood pressure is going down, your cholesterol reading levels are improving. How do you feel? And you could say, for some reason I'm feeling a lot better. I not get as tired in the morning. I can do my activities longer. And proof to that is, like, if you look in the world of sports, today many athletes at a very, very high level, the NBA, famous tennis players, soccer players, are turning to look into diet to enhance their performance. So we are in the right path here. It just takes time. Everybody has a journey, but with the information, with the examples, what Karen mentioned, I think that will be just the beginning of a great journey for all of you.
And many people are informing their physicians and their friends and family about the vegan lifestyle, how delicious it is, how great it is for your health, how great it is for the animals, and how wonderful it is for our environment and our planet. And that's where we all come together and we realize that this is the best way to live. If you got a lot out of this information, if you got value, then please subscribe here, comment and like, and follow me on Instagram at superhealthyraw. And also, if you're interested in finding out how to become a health coach in the vegan niche, I have a free masterclass for you to watch in the description below. Thanks for being with us, and join me on my next video.